Okay, the guy's up top over here.
Over there. Firing.
Ooh. I got a knock, and he fell down. Oh, he's screwed.
Reloading.
Oh, I punished him pretty hard. Now they're pushing us. The other team is. I hope they can. I hope the other team capitalizes on that because I just.
Round 5, beginning ring countdown.
Which means they're coming to us.
I'm trying to see where they're shooting from. You see him?
I think they're
Oh.
like we got bullets coming from this area. Right over there. From down below.
Let me see something here.
They may be coming
Do you guys want to get on
inside.
top of the silos? Or you want to, because that's going to be in play.
I hear her running.
Your call.
I'm trying to figure out where the enemies are first. Okay, I'm gonna put it up. Oh no, he's on top of he's on top of the hill over here, I think.
Hostile spotted.
Okay.
There's a dude up here? There's guys up here?
Yep, it's a caustic.
Oh, that's fucking Mirage being Mirage.
She's out. She left. Let me heal.
Mirage is hurt.
Hey, put some more traps down here. Alright, I'm gonna put the zip up. Oh, Maynard, don't go down.
I got one knocked. Got one knocked out there.
I'm out. Guys, get out. That's it. Don't worry about them. Get in the zone over here. Come with me.
Let's go this way.
I am the kill leader. Predictable, perhaps. It's
Giving my shield.
Oh, he's going to die in zone. Oh,
They did
2
their
down.
own thing.
Oh, yes! Oh! I'm glad I got that on recording. That was a good ending. Oh, dude. Thanks for that anvil receiver, man. I put some work in with it.
You are the Apex Champions.
Clutch anal receivers.
That was a fun one to end on. Good game, guys.